This will remove all the bacteria, viruses, infections. Y'all are not ready for me at all, and it's just sad. Are you ready?
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, hey, I am Lisa. Consider subscribing if you like this type of content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell like button, that way you get notified every time I upload a video. If you'd like to see more, of course, definitely hit the bell like button. So today I have a Amazon haul, because why not? Amazon has some nice interesting things that I didn't even know existed. Okay, I'm gonna show you in a bit, but we're gonna start with this bag here. I picked this up back in April or March. These type of bags were very popular last summer, I believe. Maybe last summer or 2 years ago, I can't remember, but they were very popular at some point. I'm really glad I finally got them. I was in this little bubble where I didn't really want to spend money on myself, but then I'm like, yo, I worked so hard, why not spend the money on myself? You know, I've just been saving. It's good to save, and I'm still saving, don't get it twisted now. But every now and again, you know, I just want to spend on myself, make myself feel good, because you know, you work hard, you play harder. That's the motive. All that to say, I just needed to spoil myself. So that's kind of what I did during this quarantine time. And so I got this bag here. I think I got it in the size maybe medium, I'm not sure, because there's medium and large. I don't know if this is the large or the medium. I got it so long ago, like I said, and yeah, I haven't even worn it. That's just of course, where am I going? Oh, okay, so it comes with this bag here. I'm not sure if this is where you're supposed to like put your things when you're carrying it around. I also got the one that had these little scarves. So they're little scarves that you put around the bag to kind of, you know, just make it look cute and stuff. Why not? Let me just try one. Let me try this one. I really love this. So I believe you put it like this. You can have it like that, just something cute like that. It just takes your little bag to a whole nother level, you know. It just upgrades the bag. But the bag itself is really cute. It's very, I don't know, it's very me, it's different. I love it. Okay, so next we have these pair of sunglasses here. I absolutely love the cut, the color, the design of the sunglasses. I absolutely love these. I believe they're about $12 or $13, something like that. And just check me out. You guys, y'all are not ready. Y'all are not ready for me at all, and it's just sad. But I love these pair of sunglasses, y'all. Like, whose mama is that? Like, yo, where's your mama at? It's so elegant, so sophisticated. Like, who would know that you're rocking $13 sunglasses looking like this, looking like a whole madame? Like, who are you? Excuse me? And then I got another pair as well. They're probably like dupes of some like designer sunglasses or something. But this next pair here, are you ready?
Okay.
I love these pair of I love both of them. I love both of them so much. I just look expensive, you feel me? That's the goal. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Yo, this is mad. This right here is mad, okay? It's madness. I think these will look really good on anybody. They're so stylish, so cute. So me, hello. I'm a joke. I used to be so much into jewelries. I don't know what happened after having kids. I don't know. I just kind of just let go of some of the things that I really loved, I really enjoyed. I literally had like a light switch where I just didn't care to wear jewelries as much. Like, I don't know what happened, but I'm back in the game. Okay, I am loving these style of jewelries, and I'm planning on investing in some really nice quality jewelries. I have been checking out Ana Luisa, I think that's her name, or their name, the company name. They have some really nice pieces, but the one that I really wanted was sold out. So I'm just waiting for them to get back on, and I will get me some. But yeah, these, they're so elegant. They're so cute. Let me try them on for you guys, okay? Let me show you the next pair. They're much bigger. I will have that one first and then back it up with this one. Obviously you can see, guys, but I do have a second hole. I just don't know where it's at right now. Just imagine you having like an updo and then you have these earrings on. They would just make a statement, like a really classy statement. I love it. I love it. So the next item that I got from Amazon, you're actually looking at it right now. Yes, girl. This hair. It's beautiful. It's very soft. The curls are popping, or the waves, they're popping. But the only thing that I do not like about this is the shedding. Like, it sheds so much. I don't know where the shedding is coming from, but it's just shedding like a freaking something. Like a freaking something. It's just shedding. I just don't like the shedding, but I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to like brush it out. I'm just gonna wear it like this for like a few days and then brush it out, because I love my hair big and fluffy and beautiful, scrumptious, you know, just like me. Okay, so next item, obviously because I want to invest in, you know, some more jewelries, I obviously have to have a place to put them. So I got myself these jewelry organizers. But I will link everything linkable down below. So if you see something you like, click the link down below. It will take you straight to that item. Okay? Thanks. So yeah, this is it right here. It came in a set of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it came in a set of 3. So I'll probably put in here my rings, earrings, and just little earrings. Obviously those little hoops, my little rings will definitely fit in this one here. Here the squares are a little bigger, and so I would put here like my bracelets, my watches, and all of that good stuff will go in here. And then for my necklaces, I think this one would definitely be for my necklaces. Yeah, not only necklaces, maybe rings as well. Maybe some rings can go in there, but mainly for my necklaces, that's what I plan on doing. It would look really good on my dresser, like a little display type thing. I'm excited. I get a lot of questions from my living room tour. Where did I get my coffee table books from? All of them, if not most of them. Only one is from Home Goods. The rest of it was from Amazon. So this Chanel book here was from Amazon. I will link it down below as well. And then I recently purchased another one. This one here. It was on sale. Was it on sale? I believe it was like $18. It was maybe on sale. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, the next one was this one, this Chanel book here. And that's what the back looks like. It just says Chanel. Chanel. So next up, I got this book here, and it's a white book. So I got this one here. So next book I got is this book here. I'm so into this type of color. I don't know, it's like a beigey color. I don't know what color is this. What kind of color is this? I don't even know what color it is. I loved the color so much, and the fact that it had like white on top here. Absolutely love this book. The color combination is so me. It's neutral. I love neutrals, so you know I had to get this book. So my latest addition is this book here by Michael Todd. It's How to Win at Dating, Marriage, and Sex. Next up is this steamer here. I don't know what I've been doing all this time, ironing my clothes like a mad person. Who got time to iron clothes when you have a steamer? Why don't you just steam up your clothes? Why? I'm so excited to finally have this. I have been missing out all this time. Yeah, this is the latest addition, and I can't wait to start using it. So this next item, you don't need it, but trust me, you want it. Whoever created this, the genius that you are, God will bless you. Honestly, this stuff is amazing. It's a fan. I have been loving it ever since I got it. I've used it almost every single day because it's getting hot, especially when you're doing your makeup. You just want to stay like this, you know, just stay like this. Like, this thing works, and it freaking look, see how it's blowing my hair. I love this stuff so much. It's amazing. Alright, so next up is this one here. It's a black and white head remover. And when I tell you this stuff works, it works. It will suck up any type of dirt, any bacteria. It will literally suck up any dirty stuff out of your skin. It's really nice stuff. I love it. And so next item is for my skin. My skin has been doing some crazy stuffs lately. It's still going through postpartum depression, so I got a tool for it, which is this one here. I actually haven't used this at all. I don't know how am I supposed to fix it. I think it's fixed like this. Yeah, I got this facial steamer. I actually got it a long time ago. I still haven't used it, but I will very soon. I will put this baby to use. Alright guys, so next item is this tongue scraper right here. You guys, when I tell you this is life-changing, it is life-changing. If you really want to brush your tongue very well, you need this. This will remove all the bacteria, viruses, infections that have been stuck on your tongue for years. Just try it. This stuff is amazing, you guys. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you in my next video very soon. Stay blessed. Catch y'all later.